All right, welcome back everybody for another deep dive. Today we're looking at something that seems
Right.
like a pretty small update to Excel,
hmm
but
Yeah.
I think it could be a really big deal.
Yeah.
We're talking about Python
Oh,
programming
oh yeah.
in Excel. And we've got this snippet here from pasted text that sort of lays out what's going on.
Yeah.
Um, and it's pretty wild.
It's really interesting stuff. I think it's sometimes they make these updates and they're just kind of incremental.
Right.
But this seems like a whole different ball game.
Right, it's like a whole other thing.
Yeah.
So let's get into it.
Okay.
So this snippet mentions a keyboard shortcut. CTRL+SHIFT+F5.
Oh.
I'll be honest, I'm not always great at remembering these things.
Right.
But apparently this one will let you do some Python stuff.
Yeah, so it's not magic.
Okay.
But it's close.
Right.
So when you hit that shortcut, you'll see these little card icons in the cells.
Yeah.
And they're not just decorative.
Right.
It's not just like, oh, that's a cute little thing.
Yeah.
They're like portals to deeper information.
It's not about putting Python code
Right.
in the cells.
Exactly. You're not like writing the
Right.
Python code into the cells.
Gotcha.
Like you have like, say a cell with your total sales for the month.
Okay.
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
But now with this Python integration, clicking on that card could reveal a trend line of your sales over the past year.
Oh, wow.
Automatically calculated with Python.
So you don't have to do any of that.
Yeah, you don't have to write the code
Wow.
or the formulas.
And that's pretty powerful.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see this being a game changer for like, I don't know, a financial analyst.
Totally.
I remember when I was interning on Wall Street, I was pulling my hair out trying to do these like
Absolutely.
complex models in Excel.
Yeah.
This would have been amazing.
Right. And it's not just finance.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine like researchers
Oh, yeah.
being able to run complex simulations
Well, that's cool.
and visualize huge data sets.
Right. In Excel.
Right there. And businesses.
Yeah.
Automating all kinds of tedious reporting tasks.
So it's not even just about like doing the numbers faster.
It's not just about speed.
Yeah.
It's about like new insights that you couldn't get to before.
Totally. I mean, there's a learning curve, I guess, for people that don't know Python.
Well, yeah, I mean, for sure. For some people, it'll be a little bit of a hurdle
Yeah.
to learn, but I think the benefits outweigh the challenge.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I'm already thinking of how this is going to change things.
I know, me too.
I mean, who knows? Maybe this will be the thing that finally makes me learn Python.
There you go.
I mean, it's amazing to think.
Oh, no, it's a simple feature.
Yeah.
But it could have such a big impact. It really makes you wonder how this is going to change how we approach data in the future.
That is a great question. I think we should all be thinking about that as we explore this tool.
Yeah.
And, who knows? Maybe one of our listeners will be the one that figures out the next big thing to do with it.
That would be awesome. That's what I'm hoping for.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Absolutely.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.